Now, we've talked a little bit about the recall of the 2002-2007 Jeep Liberties, right?
Yes.
And that recall basically involved putting on trailer hitches, correct?
Yes.
I want to talk with you a little bit about that trailer hitch. Take that PowerPoint put together by FCA's witness, that is Plaintiff Exhibit 1003, and turn to page 5 with me. You know, this is kind of similar to the ones we looked at before. In orange on the left, you see the undamaged 02 to 07 Liberty, and on the right, you see the actual vehicle driven by Deanna Gilreath with the rear axle sort of put back in place. Is that correct?
Objection, foundation.
I see a picture of the undercarriage of a Jeep Liberty with sort of a black. It looks like a rear axle and tires.
Okay, on the left you see the diagram of an undamaged vehicle. On the right you see the diagram of a damaged vehicle. Do you agree?
Yes.
You know what a differential cover is, right?
Yes.
It's like a pumpkin-sized container on a rear axle that holds a bunch of gears, right?
Yes.
And here on page 5 of Plaintiff Exhibit 1003, you can see I've labeled the trailer hitch receiver and the differential cover. Do you see that?
Yes.
Now, that trailer hitch receiver, that's the piece that got added as a result of the recall, right?
Yes.
Did you know that in this collision, the trailer hitch receiver bent forward and speared the back of the differential cover?
No.
Okay, we'll turn to page 10 in this same exhibit, Plaintiff Exhibit 1003, the Pearl PowerPoint. And here we see a differential cover, right?
Appears to be the rear, yes. Mm-hmm.
And this label was not put on by me. This is by FCA's person. Read that label into the record for us, if you would.
Impacted by Jeep hitch receiver.
Okay, so that tells us that the hitch receiver struck this differential cover, right?
That is what is written on this slide.
Okay, go back to page 5. Now, based on the images on page 5 of Mr. Pearl's PowerPoint, Plaintiff Exhibit 1003, what important object did the trailer hitch receiver have to pass through before it could strike the differential cover?
Objection, foundation. This witness has not investigated this crash. Questions about the specific crash are inappropriate.
I can't tell what the trailer hitch would have come in contact with.
Well, let's look then at the picture on the left side. There, the orange picture. And here's the question: what important object is located between the trailer hitch receiver and the differential cover?
On the picture on the left, there is a fuel tank.
A fuel tank is between the trailer hitch receiver and the differential cover, right?
Objection, foundation.
I see a picture of a fuel tank.
And on these 2002, 2007 Liberties, that fuel tank was made of plastic, wasn't it?
I do not remember what the material is. I did not release that component, so.
Would you be surprised to learn that the gas tank on the 02 to 07 Liberty was made of plastic?
Would I be surprised?
That's the question, yes.
No, I would not be surprised.
Okay. Let me show you now what's been marked as Plaintiff's Exhibit number 2. And I'll represent to you, this is another picture of an 02 to 07 Liberty with the gas tank wrapped in red tape. Do you see what appears to be the gas tank in red tape there?
Yeah, yes, excuse me.
And isn't it true that Plaintiff's Exhibit 2 confirms that the important object between the trailer hitch receiver and the differential cover is that gas tank?
Same objection.
I will state that the fuel tank is in the location behind the trailer hitch.
It was between the trailer hitch and the differential cover, right?
Well, part of the fuel tank is between the trailer hitch and the differential.
Okay. Let me ask you this, since you worked on the recall. If the trailer hitch speared through the plastic gas tank to strike the differential cover, that's not a good thing, is it?
Objection, form,
You're-
foundation.
Again, that's outside of my scope. That is a structural engineer's responsibility. That is not my responsibility as a recall administration manager.
Based on your work on the recall, would you agree that a trailer hitch spearing a gas tank is bad?
Same
Again,
objection.
I am not a fuel tank engineer or a structural engineer to answer that question. My job was, and the recall manager, was to generate the repair procedures and to generate the owner letters that went out to each customer.
As a matter of common sense, would you think it would be a good thing or a bad thing for a trailer hitch to spear a gas tank?
Same objection.
I don't know. I can answer that question. I don't have the expertise.